What's up, you guys? Welcome to Keeping These Jags Purring. My name's Jesse, and this is my 2001 Jaguar XJR. And honestly, I don't even know when's the last time I got an oil change before I bought it. And I also noticed that it has an oil leak coming from the pan. So in this video, I'm finna replace the oil pan gasket and change the oil. You know how it is with these old Jags. If you don't take care of shit ASAP, it's finna be all bad. Shout out to Mama Juana. Gracias por siempre ver mis videos. I appreciate the support. She's always putting a like on all my videos. Shout out to my boy Rocky. He's always playing my videos at work, and I hate that shit. I hate it, bro, because I think people are gonna be like, oh look, he thinks he's a YouTuber. Oh, he also works on cars, so he's a mechanic. Nah, bruh, I'm just a dude trying to keep his old Jag alive and not just record the process while I work on the Jag. That's all it is. And I know he plays it because I hate that shit. Anyways, enough of me yapping. Let's get to the step-by-step tutorial video. Let's go. I've owned Jaguars long enough to know one thing for sure. If you ignore something small, it's finna turn big and expensive. Tonight, we're finna be replacing the oil pan gasket before it gets worse. And yeah, this Jag is in need of an oil change. Set the emergency parking brake by pulling the handle all the way up. Now, let's open the oil cap and pull the dipstick. This helps the oil flow out faster. Next, lift the car using a low-profile jack. I place a 2x4 on the jack to prevent anything from getting damaged. Lift from the front center frame, then place the car securely on jack stands. Make sure that the car is solid before you get your ass underneath it. There should be a skid plate underneath these Jags, but over time they get damaged or rip out, so people just remove them. Mine doesn't have one, but I do plan on grabbing one the next time I hit the junkyard. Remove the drain plug using a 16mm wrench or socket. Damn, that shit was tight. God damn, that oil is dark. This oil's been here way too damn long. Good thing we're doing this now. Let it drain fully, about 10 minutes if you can. The goal is to get as much oil out as possible. Inspect the drain plug. We got a new drain plug, and just a heads up, the socket size is different on the new one. Now remove the oil filter. You should be able to get it off by hand. If it's on too tight, use a filter wrench or get a real man to do it. Lubricate the new oil filter O-ring with some oil. That helps it seal properly and makes it easier to remove next time. I know some people finna hate on my oil filter choice, but a filter is a filter. If it works, it's good for me. Now we remove the 19 8mm bolts holding the oil pan in place. It's finna suck if you don't have an electric ratchet. Break the seal gently and let the pan come down evenly. Clean the oil pan using brake cleaner and wipe it dry. I also like spraying the bolts to remove debris so they could thread in smoothly. Use a small flathead screwdriver to remove the old rubber gasket. Clean the mating surface, then install the new gasket. Install the bolts by hand first. I like adding a small dab of blue thread locker to keep them from coming loose. Follow the torque sequence and torque to 12 Newton meters. If you don't have a torque wrench, snug tight plus about a quarter turn is more than enough. Don't overdo it. Now we're adding 7 quarts of oil. I'm using 5W30 Castrol high mileage full synthetic. I also like replacing 1 quart with Lucas oil additive. That's a personal preference though, you don't gotta do that. Now we can start the car and check for leaks. No leaks, we good.
Yeah, that will be around like $800 without taxes, and it would be around that price.
$800? Y'all heard that? That's crazy. An $800 job. Ain't no way, bruh. Don't go to a shop. do it yourself. This only took me about 2 hours and a half, and that's because I was recording. It'd probably be like an hour and a half. It's hella easy, bro. Well, if y'all found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Late.